Hey, good day everyone. Welcome guys. Welcome everyone. Great to see you. How's it going? Scramble here as usually. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Great community members. Lovely time out here on a happy Wednesday with all-time high. With great conditions in Nasdaq, with Nvidia opening highs, the FOMC meeting, after a significant sell-off we've been strongly recovering after. This is quite impressive, guys. Have a look into that. Let's just go ahead and share this with all the community members, pretty much in all the trading groups. Come on, guys. We are ready. Like the video, let's bring up those numbers. Ticktick Trader top 1 futures. Giveaways are ready. Look at that. I got 10 accounts. I got 10 accounts ready. Pretty happy about it. Really happy about it. So I'm going to rename this accounts. The old ones have not been eliminated here from my dashboard of trading for some reason. I had to reach out to support and sort it out. So I'm gonna rename them because we're gonna copy trade in 2 different groups. From 1 to 5 it's gonna be one group. From 6 to 10 it's gonna be the second group. Today is the last day of promotion for Ticktick Trader. The last day where you can get the accounts at $245 per piece, or even less if you buy through cryptocurrency or Skrill. Even less. Somewhere around $215 per account. That's crazy, guys. How's it going? How are you today? I don't know why did they removed. Yes, I got paid from Ticktick Trader. I've been posting about it on my group. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Great to hear you. Great to see you. I got paid $10,000 and then $4,000 were put into my live wallet. So there's still 10 hours to go for Ticktick Trader promotion. 10 hours to go. Let's set up the copy trader. Here's their link. Good evening, good evening. Let's set up the copy trader. So from the first account to the 5th is going to be one group. Brand new accounts. I also want to set up my copy trader on Top 1 futures. We are trading the second cycle here on Top 1 futures. Look at that, guys. This is where we are with the stats. It's not bad, right? What do you guys think about? Yesterday was the first day of the cycle. I still want to go today for $1,800 if it's possible. I'm gonna go for that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Let's bring up the numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, and join my Discord to participate in the giveaway. We got news in 4 minutes. PCE, price index, unemployment claims, so careful. Yeah, the gap is sitting around the 660s. There's going to be significant volatility. We had a downtrending movement here, and we broke out. So the market is still showing strength, even though it's surprisingly powerful. I mean, this markets are surprising Wall Street. I'm gonna get ready for some trading. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Starting a new cycle, the first cycle on my Ticktick Trader accounts. I got 10 accounts today, 2,150 if you're paying, something around that if you're paying through crypto or Skrill, which is 70% discount. It's 5% extra. Of course, by utilizing the coupon code SCRAMBLE. Less than 2 minutes for the news. Changing the price of goods and services purchased by consumers excluding food and energy. Gold has been suffering. The XI, US dollar, has been doing quite nice. Gold, just like Bitcoin, has not been performing too well. With the stock markets, with the Nasdaq going up, we had a pause in gold's rally. 1 minute to go for the news. I'd like to see how can I speculate that. Welcome trader 007. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Yes, it's okay to trade news. You can trade it. You can trade the news. It's privileged. Two giveaways are scheduled for today. 10 seconds to go. Watch the volatility, guys. Watch this daily opening 705. Maybe not at this very moment, but watch that. Look at that. Come on. Up and down. Look at this volatility.
Order filled.
I got in a short here. 2 contracts.
Order filled.
I just doubled that up. 4 contracts. Wow. I'm gonna reshort it from the other accounts here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Reshorting this back into the wick. Looking forward to seeing the 800s rejecting. Let's go, guys. Come on. It's a beautiful target. What we have here on 784. Come on. Stop loss on my entry. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order
Bring it
filled.
down. Target has been touched. And over here as well. There you go, guys. That's the way to start a business. Targets have been touched everywhere. Tap on futures, Ticktick trader. Boom. Come on, like the video, guys. Come on. Targets have been touched everywhere. Especially here on Tap One Futures, the target of $1,843. On all the 3 accounts, think about. We have 159,805. This is the second cycle we're trading. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. How to enter the giveaway? You just have to be here on the stream, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord, and the giveaway starts a little bit later, in about 1 hour. Thank you, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Here come the fireworks. So we've got 2 days of 1,800. This is all trading on stream. 520 here, guys. So we have the first point, right? I'm not going to push on this 5 accounts more than this 1 point. It's fine 1 point here. I'm going to set up my copy trader for the next 5 accounts on Ticktick trader. Right, so we just made the minimum necessarily for the 1 point. And now we're connecting account number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 1,800 is a great consistency level. That's a good level that I have. That's how much I made in my first day, so I can make the same amount basically in all the other days. That's going to remain the highest. I don't want to make more than that. I can make less, but as soon as I can make the same amount, it makes sense to trying to go for the same amount. Always as close as possible to your highest day.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is an interesting situation here, guys. Let's see if we can get that 800 retest. Once we get into 95, I'm moving my stop loss to my entry. Come on. This is the second group for my Ticktick trader accounts. We've got 10. And we're trading, copy trading in 2 groups. The first 5 and the last 5. We're very close to hit that target of 500 here. Come on, bring it up, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
$855. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. LFG time. Good morning, everyone. We are printing 855 here. we got supported by the daily VWAP right there. The breakout has been retested, support is confirmed. This whole thing can get back into 840s. Another round of fireworks, exactly. So all the 10 accounts profitable here on Ticktick Trader, all the new 10 accounts. And then on Top 1 Futures, all the 3 accounts that we've got here, which are very important. Second cycle, second day. It's just lovely, right? 1,800. I'm going to connect the next accounts on Top 1 Futures. This one's. And I think I'm going to force a little bit on my Ticktick Trader. This one's where I've made 855. I'm going to force it a little bit. I'll try to take that above $1,000. Thank you guys. Good morning everyone. Welcome. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an amazing Wednesday out there. And celebration times. You know, this 4 top ones, it's Sim Pro, which I have not traded today. We have around $900 drawdown here. Core PCE came out as expected. Unemployment claims slightly lower than expected. That's definitely not bad. The market has reacted positively so far. That's not bad. Right here from the 75. It's not a bad entry. This can nicely get all the way up to 840s. It's a VWAP retest here. You know, if it comes back into 784, I'm going to take a long. Right, 784 is a good level. This one. That's a good level. If I get that, I'm going to be happy with it. I'm going to test out a short here on this 855 profit accounts.
Order filled.
On my Ticktick. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Hey. It's very good so far. It's pretty much profits everywhere. 10 accounts on profit for a Ticktick Trader, brand new accounts. And 3 accounts profit on Top 1 Futures that are second day, second cycle. With maximum profit 1,800. Yep. I think the next candlestick here would be lovely if that's going to be red.
Order filled.
I've increased my size a little bit. $7.91 is a good target for me.
Order filled.
I'm increasing my target a little bit. I've DCA'd from 3 contracts into 7 minis. Come on. Break below 800s. Come on. Break below that level. Putting my stop loss to my entry. This is looking good, guys. Give me some strength here. Give me some strength here down. You know, I'm putting 120 right there for my trailing, 120 for my exit. Let's go, guys. Come on. 1,600. That's going to be a good target for us. It's going to bring us $2,400 in the account. That's a very good start, right? But we just need the bears to press the pedal here. Surprisingly. Depends how deep we go after that rejection, guys. Doesn't seem like... Come on. That was just 2 ticks away. Beautiful, guys. We got saved by 2 ticks.
Order filled.
I sold 3 contracts. Sold
Order
2
filled.
more. Putting the stop loss right there. Come on. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. $2,100 profit. Trading by the book. Boom. Hey. What a great time. There you go. There you go, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Yeah. No, this is profits back to back basically. So there's 5 accounts, 2,100. There is no consistency on Ticktick Trader. Think about. You can, you know, if I can force this today and make 4,000 or so, that's going to help me a lot. It's going to help me a lot. But there's no consistency. So this 5, 2,100. The other 5, 520 that I traded earlier, and that's the minimum I need for today because $500 means to collect 1 profit score. If you don't know about the profit score system, you got to watch basically my tutorial video, the last video I posted about Ticktick Trader with a $10,000 payout. You need to do 10 points. 1 point means to achieve 0.5% of the account size, and that is $500 for the $100,000. Yes, I'm talking about it basically in my last video, and I'm explaining how does the profit score system works. It's very simple. You just have to do 5% totally, without consistency. And then the 3 Top 1 futures account got to the Target of the day, 1,843. We've been having this copy trading earlier. We've got the second day of the second cycle. First day was yesterday, and today is the second day. Yeah. This is an interesting price action situation. With a movement to the upside. This is looking likely forcing it above the 800s.
Order filled.
Oops, this is not the account I wanted to trade. I wanted to trade the other ones where I have copy trading active and the 5 accounts where I made 2,100. You know, I'll get out over there on $60 profit. This are the ones I want to trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, we got out of the trade on that one earlier. Look at that, 565. It hit our target here. On the account I had to open my position by mistake. Thank you guys. So let's go. Come on. Bring it up, baby. We are printing today. Hello, good morning. We are printing today. We have 13 out of 13 accounts profit. 13 out of 13. The 5-minute here looks beautiful. Looks beautiful for a run all the way above 820s. Think about it. If I'm letting this trade to go above 820s, I'll make 4,000, you know, on the 19. I can exit there without issues. I'll make $4,300. I'll be happy with that. Stop loss on my entry. Come on. Let's watch this, guys. We need a little bit of strength here above the 800s right now. But that would be a good target. We would have $6,000 made in the first day. It's not easy. Looks like we're going to get stopped out.
Order filled.
We got stopped out on break even. No, lower risk and just go the minimum target right now. You're up 9,600 in 2 days. Go with the minimum target. The profit score is 10 points. 1 point means to earn 0.5% of your initial account balance. 0.5% of your initial account balance. That's how you collect 1 point. You know, I'm going to get back in my long here. I think this is going to break to the upside.
Order filled.
I have cushion here in my profit all the way to the $500 profit. I don't want to lose my
Order
point.
filled.
Today, I don't want to lose my point. So,
Order filled.
if I am down $1,400 in a trade, I'm going to put my stop there and that's it, right? I want to at least end up my day in $500 profit. I don't want to lose my point. Yeah, $500 each day, you are collecting your points. You've got sufficient right now to focus on the minimum target. Let me try to catch you today. Let me try to see if I can do today. $6,000. It's the first day, so 6,000 today, 3,000 tomorrow. I'm gonna be on the same page with you. Looks like we're struggling here. If we don't get that 10, 15 points impulse, we're struggling. Look at that. With every little try we're doing, with every little candlestick, it gets denied. This is not a good sign. But I'm not letting myself scared out of this situation, guys. We're gonna print. We're gonna print. Make sure to like the video. We got a bunch of money in the giveaways. Keep going. Let's clear the next 805 level. That's the only desire. Clear that 805. And we're gonna discover more. Exactly 10 points is the profit score, Camille. 1 point means to earn 0.5% of the account size. 0.5% of the 100,000 means $500. Look at that. We got lucky here. 2 ticks away from my trailing stop loss. That's the profit score. Earn 0.5% per day, and you're collecting 1 point. So you have to add up totally 10 points. Your losing days will not penalize you. We had a decent rejection here earlier, but this candlestick is you know, it's a different system. It's a system based on points. Points and profit score. I'm out of this trade.
Filled.
I better collect that little profit instead of nothing. We got a triple top rejection here. So far, but this can easily swipe through the liquidity. 805 is where they are trying to fight back. There's difference because a loss in a notional dollar value, for example, you can lose $1,500. It doesn't affect your points. Right? So there are some great sides of this whole thing. If you're losing money, you're not getting affected. It's not based on how much money you actually make. It's based on how many points do you collect. Right, so it's not based on how much money do you make, it's based on how many points do you collect.
Order filled.
I'm getting back into my long here. Looks like we got rejected. So the maximum I can lose, I told you guys, is 1,300. You know, I'll accept that. I'm still gonna have my point. I'll still have about $500 and that's fine. Once you collect a point that you can withdraw your maximum withdrawal, which is $2,000 per account. The whole idea with a profit score system is that it's a different model that has advantages compared to the other existing models from the market. That's why it's pretty much enjoyed by the people. It's really enjoyed by the people. We have a bunch of people participating in this new system. Watch my last video that I posted on my channel to understand how does it work.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. In 2 minutes, we're going to see some pressure. I hope it's going to be dominated by the bulls, because that one can take us all the way into the target. That 3,400 here, where what we made is going to be juicy for the first day. No consistency, think about it. Like, there is nothing better than this. As soon as we go a little bit higher, I'm moving my stop loss on break even. So once we get above the previous wick we just made here earlier, 808. Once we clear that 808, I'm back risk-free. But I'm not able to risk-free until that, because the noise could actually take me out and then the markets could run. We're going to see some volatility in the next 10 seconds. Yes, you can do as much money as you want in one trade. You're still going to get 1 point. You can only receive 1 point in a day. Good morning, buddy. Like, we have a triple rejection so far. It's not too exciting. Look at that. We're about to get stopped out here.
Order filled.
We got stopped out. 720. That's it, guys. Not forcing this anymore. We didn't broke out. We might break out a little later, but I did give the chance the market to complete the breakout. I did risk at a necessary time. 720 is still above the target of 500. I'm still going to get my point. So I'm not going to force here anymore. On top 1 futures, we have touched the target. I don't need to trade this 3 accounts anymore. I'm going to the leader plus 3, which is 4 accounts. We only have $920 drawdown here. That's what I'm going to trade. Let's go, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got into my long here for the top 1 futures. Keep in mind, everyone, it's the last day for Ticktick Trader. It's the last day for the big promotion. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. We don't have too much drawdown here. I don't like this. I'm out.
Order filled.
Accepted a 220 loss. Not an issue, but I don't like this. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys.
Order filled.
I'm going for a little short here. I think with this lower high we just managed to do, we could be able to break above this level. It depends. I mean, looks like it fights back right now. Looks like this price section is unreadable.
Order filled.
I'm out of that. It's not good, basically. I've lost my energy, guys, right now. you know, this account is 150 bucks from the max loss. It's pretty much gone. It's not good. But I kind of lost my energy. We've touched the targets everywhere. We've touched the targets everywhere. What a price action. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Here's the link. You gotta join our Discord. Yeah. I'm gonna be out of this market right now. About to explode to 5,000. It's gonna go to that point. Once it cleared the $4,000 level, it's gonna go to 5 grand, slightly above 5 grand, I think. And then it might pull back a little bit, but then it's gonna continue, of course. It's gonna bounce harder. Probably August is gonna be a good month to deliver that. Sitting calm right now and I'm waiting. There's not much I'm gonna do. We've got the targets on all the Ticktick trader, all the 10 accounts. We've got the targets here, very important. In the second cycle, second day, we only need a few more dollars, of course, $6,000 more, I think. Yeah. Because yesterday I made a little more, you know, a little too much a little above the threshold. I should have earned less. But I've calculated wrong for some reason, right? I made $1,800 yesterday. It was the first day. 1,821. Times 5, I have to do $9,100. Because my threshold on the second cycle is only 7,500. So I have to do $1,600 extra because of my missing of calculation. For some reason, I thought I'm on the first cycle. And I did the same 1,800, which stands for the first cycle, because in the first cycle you have 9,000 as a threshold. In the second cycle, with 7,500, whereas the threshold, you divide that to 5 and you get 1,500. So yesterday I should have earned 1,500, today 1,500 as well, and then keep doing that for 3 more days. You know, this way it's $300 extra, and that's maybe 2 points more, but you see that 2 more points sometimes is the hardest thing to achieve, and this is a strategical mistake I did yesterday. Now, there is no turnaround. I have to respect this value, but this is a live example of how not to do it, guys. Good luck, everyone. Third cycle. Third cycle, 1% less. Third cycle is basically 4%. First is 6, second is 5, and third is 4. So 9,000, 7,500, and 6,000. Now, obviously, in my second cycle, I have to do 9,000, because that's how I brought it up with my highest day. That buffer is going to help me. It's not bad. It's going to help me. Look at that. We finally got below. We might do a retest here on the daily VWAP. Thank you guys for joining. We've got 15 minutes to go for the giveaway starting time. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join Discord. And keep in mind, today is the last day for Ticktick Trader massive promotions. Here we are with the link. $245 per account. Starting with the first account, up to 10 accounts maximum. That's a big deal, especially this whole point here with the straight to funded plus accounts. This is their new product, guys. So this whole point here, which is available Project X, Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, or TradingView. This whole new point is for live trading. You get to your threshold to be moved to live trading, and then the business is totally changing. Keeping in mind there is no rules, no consistency. You can trade in whatever form you want to trade, and you can even do multiple payouts per day. You made 500, you can take it out. You made another 700, you can take it out within the same day. As long as you're above the original balance of your live account, you can take out as much as you want. On top of that, you can move funds from your sim funded accounts, which are going to be paused when you're moved to live. They're not going to get lost. They're not going to be eliminated, erased, or anything like that. They're going to be paused. From this paused accounts, you can move your profits from there into your live by doing a procedure. So that's another big business, right? Good day, welcome everyone. Hey, great to see you guys. It's a lovely day. Instant payouts are really helpful, that's right. I mean, the payouts are quick, especially their product is new and things are fresh. Payouts are quick. They paid me out in about 24 to 36 hours. So that's sufficiently fast. Especially they confirm your payout and you can resume trading your accounts in your second cycle where you only have to collect 7 points. You can also eliminate your daily loss, this one, if you don't want it, by paying the add-on. The add-on is going to be also discounted, right? So the original price is $149 of the add-on, but that's going to be discounted 65%. So you just pay 35% of that, which is, about $50. If you want that. I do believe the add-on is useful. Right, because that 1,500, you saw, today I've made 2,100 in this account where I have 720 right here profit. We had 2,100 earlier. And if you have the max loss at 1,500, then keep in mind, a good day can recover that. And you can consider basically even if you recovered through 2 days. But the most important thing here is you got no consistency. So if you get a good day and you make $3,000-4,000, that's going to help you progress so much in your balance. You're going to quickly get to the point where the maximum loss is not going to follow you. That stops on the original balance. So the max loss is going to stop at 100 grand when it gets there. If I take my account to 104, my max loss is going to be on 100. So that's going to be $4,000 difference. Even if I get, a max loss of 1,500, which is a soft breach, I'm not going to lose my account by hitting that. It's not an issue. I still have a lot to continue and recover and make my points. And of course, as we progress, we got to focus on the points. That's the most important part, right? So once you have buffer 4 or 5 grand in your account, just focus collecting points. I still have $220 above
order filled,
the target. So I have a little bit of buffer there that I'm looking for, engaging in a trade right here. We're testing the daily VWAP. That's the maximum I could actually lose and still have my target touched.
order filled,
Adding more to this. Exactly. So the daily loss limit helps people that are trading based on revenge. After a significant loss, just because you're blocked and you cannot revenge, it's good. There's a bunch of people losing their accounts on that moment. So the daily loss is actually helping them. Will I get lucky here? Will I be lucky here, guys? I don't know.
Order filled.
No. We're fine. 520. It's good, basically. It's 1 point. Profit score. It's good. Yeah, there's support here. Strong support existent. It's a decent place of reaction. But that's fine. I cannot trade this anymore. 520 is good. I don't want to go below 500 bucks, which is the target to collect 1 point. Yeah, that's not easy to trade. So it's hard to trade in losses. But at the same time, it's also hard to trade in good profits. It's very hard, basically, in both scenarios. Which is why we emotionally have to be very, very well balanced. We cannot be emotionally connected to the outcome of our trading performance financially. We can only be connected financially. That's right. When we pay for the accounts, we are connected financially. When we get a payout, we are connected. But we cannot be connected other than financially. So if we are getting connected with the outcome of the trade emotionally, that's when the problem starts. One way or the other. Whether we talk about the losses or the profits, numerous profits generate you an overconfident situation. You're feeling pumped up and you're driving the markets in the other side. Yeah, fireworks are done for today. Targets have been touched. I'm waiting for the New York opening and we get started on the giveaways. 5 more minutes and we start the giveaways. If I zoom out, the market needs to come down, needs to retrace. Make sure everyone get ready for the giveaways, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Hi Wesley, thank you buddy, appreciate it. I'm a decent trader. Yeah. Yeah, there is 2 giveaways. So Ticktick Trader promotion ends in, let me refresh that page, in 9 hours and 30 minutes, guys. Ticktick promotion ends in 9 hours and 30 minutes. You got a chance to grab yourself the biggest discount existent. If you're going demo without emotions, you're not trading in a legit environment. You're trading in an environment which is lacking stress and emotions. And then you want to trade in an environment to make money, which is having stress and emotions. That's 2 different environments. It's like you are preparing to play a sport while you're training on a different sport. Right? So you want to become a tennis player, but you are training as a football player. Both requires you certain skills that are pretty much general skills needed in both conditions, in both sides, in both sports. But that doesn't mean that the specifics are there. No, they're missing. When specifics are missing, it's a problem. That's why I'm not suggesting demo trading. Instead of helping you, I think demo trading is a form of trading set up by companies in order to mess you up. It's a good narrative behind demo trading, but once the guys that are profitable on demo go to live, they trade differently. Right? So there are studies behind that, which is why companies are allowing people to trade on demo. It's a good tool for business. It sets you up wrongly. Will make you less confident, or if you become confident from demo, that's not the real competency you need when you deal real money, right? When you take your hard work money and you put it into risk. Oh. Ding ding, the market is opening. What's happening here, guys? We're filling up the gap, right? Look at that. 660s. Look at that. Yeah, evals are pretty much the same story. Yeah. Demo is good to get used basically to the tools of trading, to the equipment of trading. But you do not become a good trader, financially speaking, by trading nicely on demo. 2 more minutes and the giveaway starts. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Scammers can relax. All those scammers with multiple accounts, they can relax. They don't have to participate. They are going to be kicked out. So do not do the effort of dumping from 50, 60, 70, 100 accounts. You are not going to receive any giveaway. If you're trying to scam, you're going to be out. Look at that, guys. Wow. That's a big one. Gap has been filled. But I think we could actually get slightly below. Let's see. 633 is 200 days EMA on 15 minutes. That's interesting. And the whole thing take us back into the daily opening, right? 705. Yeah, it's not easy to trade on the last day. 774. All right, guys, let's get ready. Let's get ready, everyone. Let's get ready for the great numbers. Keep in mind, Ticktick Trader is having a few more hours of their massive promotion going on. We are ready, so we're going to get started today with the Top 1 Futures account. The first giveaway is for the first prop firm from the title, Top 1 Futures account. Let's get ready, guys. So, first thing you gotta do in order to participate, like the video. The second thing, be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. I'm streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, giveaways daily. And join my Discord. On my Discord, we are trying to build up a educational trading community, right? So these are the 3 things you have to do in order to participate. Other things, only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not guess for multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. If you're doing that, you're going to be eliminated. Do not try to game the system. This is the way it works. Get ready, guys. And you can start. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Do not guess after the end message. Once you see the end message, it's over. There you go. The end is right there. Do not guess after the end message. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 1 more. I'm going to shuffle. And we are ready. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. You want to guess the number and then qualify for the second round, for the next round, which is a duck race. Is that going to be that green number 5? What do you guys think about that green number 5? You want to see that? There you go. That's a green number 5. Number 5 is the winner. Congratulations for those of you. We're going to the duck race. Let's see who is the real and the only winner of this massive opportunity. $25,000. Instant funded, end of the day drawdown account. Right? So that's very valuable. 31 winners. Congratulations. 31 winners that will compete for 1 minute. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Is he gonna win again? Is he going to win? Let's go. Come on. 20 seconds. He's on the race once again. SU001 is going to be the winner. There you go. There you go. We got the winner right there. The Grandma Duck. Grandma Duck is the winner. Trader 07 was right here, ranked number 8 out of 31. Not bad. Beautiful, guys. So reach out to me on Discord. Congratulations for the winners. For the winner, you got to reach out to me on Discord. Congrats, buddy. Let's go for the second round. So for those of you that have joined recently, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Only one guess per person. Think about your numbers. I'm going to shuffle the list. Think about your numbers. Come on, guys. And let me know. Good luck, everyone. You can start. This is a $50,000 straight to funded plus account for Ticktick Trader. Let's go, guys. There you go. That's the stop right there. That's the end message right there. No numbers will be accepted below. You have to stop writing. Come on. Let's shuffle this one more time. I wish you good luck, guys. $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. Straight to funded plus. What is it gonna be, guys? That blue zero? What do you guys think about that blue zero? Are we gonna stop there, or this is gonna be number 5 again? No, that's a number 5. That's a number 5 on the red. Once again, number 5. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. That's a double 5 right there on today's giveaways. Wow. We had 31 winners. Now we have 20. 20 guys participating means you have 5% chance of success. We're gonna shuffle our ducks a couple of times and get started. Good luck, everyone. Let's go, guys. Congratulations for winners. Who's gonna take this one? It's an important account. Imagine you get to the payout, you invest that money, and you will be able to buy your nice roadmap to a profitable journey. 10 seconds to go. Someone is gonna speed up. I'm sure now is not gonna be the winner. Look at that, guys. Someone is gonna speed up. Tom G, are you gonna be? There you go. Tom G is the winner for today's race. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord. Boom. Great job, everyone. Great job. What's happening on the markets? Look at that. Crazy price action out here. We're looking good. Looking forward to it, guys. What is it today? Thursday. Looking forward to it tomorrow, Friday. 2 giveaways are scheduled for tomorrow as well. Thank you as well, guys. Appreciate it. Have a lovely day. Take care. Be safe. And we talk to you soon. We talk to you tomorrow.